Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore default settings in Fortnite on iOS. First, click on your profile icon, then go to settings, and now you can click on restore to default. You can choose in which category you want to do it. For example, video settings. If you want to restore video settings to default, go to video tab, then restore settings, then accept, and now video settings are restored. Now you can do the same with audio. Restore to default, accept, and now it's restored to default. And if you want to restore whole settings, you need to go in each section and restore to default. And now I've restored all of the settings to default. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.